Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book with the anatomy of the ship that held up the Wall Street by Warren C. Riess, Volume 2, Studying the Princess Carolina. Given only one winter month for field work, the large crew excavated and recorded the site, which became known as the Ronson Ship Site, named for the site's developer Howard Ronson. At the end of their time in the field, the crew was able to save the first 18 feet of the bow for preservation. For Riess, the analysis and conservation of the artifacts would begin. In this book, Riess presents the technical analysis of the vessel. In doing so, he fills significant gaps in contemporary knowledge of 18th century shipbuilding techniques. Though meticulous in scientific detail, Riess's style is eminently readable for interested general readers. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.